Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most innovative solutions for all your picture hanging needs. The Comando 20 lbxl Heavyweight Picture Hanging Strips. If you've been searching for the perfect way to hang your pictures without leaving a mark on your walls, look no further. This product has earned its title as the best Comando strips on the market. The Comando 20 lbxl Heavyweight Picture Hanging Strips are designed for those who want to display their favorite artwork or photos without the hassle of traditional nails or screws. Not only do these strips hold up to 20 pounds, but they also promise a damage-free solution that won't leave any residue or marks when removed. Let's take a closer look at what makes these strips stand out. Each pack contains 16 pairs of white adhesive strips specifically designed for heavy-duty wall hanging. The material is durable plastic that can handle even the heaviest frames, making it ideal for large-scale art or family portraits. The strips are designed for ease of use. They come with a simple application process. Just peel, stick, and press. There's no need for tools or extensive measuring. Once applied, you'll have a robust and secure mount for your pictures, ensuring they stay exactly where you want them. Now, you might be wondering how to use them effectively. To hang your picture, start by selecting the appropriate strips based on the weight of your frame. Clean the wall surface to ensure maximum adhesion, then follow the instructions to adhere the strips to both the picture and the wall. The best part? These strips are perfect for renters or anyone who prefers not to leave permanent marks on their walls. In conclusion, the Comando 20 lbxl Heavyweight Picture Hanging Strips are a top-tier solution for anyone looking to hang pictures easily and effectively. With their strong adhesive properties, user-friendly design, and damage-free removal, these strips provide a seamless way to personalize your space. Whether you're looking to decorate your living room, office, or any space, these Comando strips have you covered. So, if you're ready to take your home decor to the next level without the mess, check out the Comando 20 lbxl Heavyweight Picture Hanging Strips. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and product insights. Until next time, keep creating a beautiful space, and remember to hang it right with Comando.